I have here the GE Microwave Oven. We got this thing when we got a new range and oven that has a nice modern style. It's a new sleek look. It is stainless steel. It is so easy to clean. We just spray it down and wipe it. This thing has a capacity of 2.1 cubic feet and it goes to 1,000 watts. So our favorite features is how easy this thing is to use. You have these preset express cooks buttons, so you can do 1 minute all the way up to 9 minutes just by pressing them, and it will auto start that. You have the add 30-second button, which is nice. The cook time for a custom setting, that time that you would want. And then we have the vent fan. And you also have a surface light underneath. Different settings there, which we love. And then you have those sensor cooking for popcorn, potato, steam, defrost things over here. This thing has the handle on the side here, so you open it like so. And then it's pretty spacious in here. We can fit quite a lot. This comes out, which makes it really easy to clean in your sink. And we love how easy this thing is to clean, how well it cooks things. It has lasted us a few years now, and we absolutely love it.